you join us in the Ford Fiesta, or as we like to call it, the love machine, for reasons I'm not sure of. Right then, Zach, this is Zach's car, not mine. Now, he loves driving his Ford Fiesta. You'd never change it for another car, would you, Zach? He's not commenting. Right, but he said to me, Simon, all my pleasure is taken away when I press my clutch pedal because it makes some weird noises. So let's have a look. Oh, and it's got this sort of funny thing, and it sometimes does this sort of kick biting. So does your clutch pedal creak on your Ford Fiesta? What mark is this? Mark 5? 5 or thereabouts? We're not exactly sure. So I had a look at it and I could see what was happening, and basically on the clutch pedal, you've got the clutch pedal goes down like this, and there's a little shaft that sticks out, and there's something that sticks on it, and as you push the pedal, what happens is this is free to roam up and along the shaft. This is all getting very weird, this video. So I said, nothing's broken there, Zach, it's just free to move too much. So what we're going to do is we are going to fit this little clamp with a little grub screw. We're going to put that, we're going to try and film it, but it's a bit weird. So I'm sat in this side. I don't normally drive straddled across the center console. That's not normal, even by my standards. So right, where's that torch, Zach? There's a torch. We're going to see if we can film this and see what's happening. So right then, Zach, let's have a look under here. So right, so up under here, up under there somewhere. Right, let's see if we can see it. Which side is it going to be best to even see it from? Oh, the light doesn't want to fit. Right, let me hide this light first. Right, let's see if we can happen. What we're looking at is this bit here. And when you press this up and down, it has a tendency to move along this shaft. Sometimes creaking. It's free to move backwards and forwards. Let me see if I've got no idea what I'm actually filming and pressing it. But basically this can, see it, see there, it's there. And then when you press the pedal down, it can do this sort of clunking thing. There we go. We had it there. Let's see if I can do that again. Oh, I'm not sure what I'm filming, but it's quite fascinating. Right then, let's try one more time, and you'll see it'll click out of position. Right. So what we're going to do is we are going to put the collar on this little shaft here to stop it hopping along. There you go. He just sprung then. Right. So let me get the shaft in, and we'll put the little shaft clip on and see if that fixes it. Right, so basically we've got a little grub screw in this little shaft, and I'm going to position this over that shaft and then nip it up so that thing's got nowhere to move. Now we may or may not be able to see this. Oh, he's on there. He's on there. Right then, if I get my head out the way, Zach, you might be able to see what I'm doing. You can see the top of my hand there. He's flying blind, old Zach here. He's not sure what's going to be too, brother. Right, and it's going to be the worst video ever. Right, and I'll get the camera in there in a minute and take a picture. Right, so that has nipped that solid now. So, and now when we press the pedal, oh, it's like a new car, Zach. There's no squiffery there at all. That is just a smooth, direct clutch. Look at that. Now this may be the same on some other Ford models. I don't know. It might just be the Fiesta. So we'll probably put those for sale on the website, but you can buy it, a shaft collar clamp thing. Just zip it on and it'll stop all that. Right then, Zach, you can keep the car forever now. Right. Good luck with that.